Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hello everyone, my name is Holly Christine and welcome to my channel. Here on the Holly Christine channel, I try to provide as much plus size motivation as possible to help the average everyday plus size woman live her best life. Whether that's mom motivation, ideas of things to do with your kids, cleaning motivation, cleaning routines, healthy living, good recipes, exercise routines, plus size try-on hauls. Basically anything that can help you get motivated to live your best life is what you will find here on my channel. My goal is to help inspire plus size women to live their best lives and to realize that we can have everything that we want. I feel like a lot of the times plus size women are underrepresented even in spaces like YouTube. So I want you to see someone that looks like you and to know that you can have a healthy, happy life in whatever it is that you choose to do. So I am here to motivate you, and I would love it if you would go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below if you have not done so yet, and continue to grow on this journey with me. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.